Yeah, what's really good, people? Welcome back to this packet. I have this 1987 BMW 325i. I'll show you real quick how to do the oil change. All right, so come on. Shout outs to subscribers, viewers. Love you. Where would I be without you? Viewers, what you waiting for? Get your subscription now. All right. You see what's good over here. 87, right? I was born in 86. Shouldn't say that, but all right, let's get it, man.
During the video, you will see the picture of the tool I'm using for the project with its current price. Some of these tools come with up to 50% discount. It is very easy to get them. Just go to the description box of the same video and look for the name of the tool that you need. Right underneath of it, you will see the link which it's going to take you to Amazon so you can finish your purchase. The tools will be delivered to you within 2 days or next day. Amazing, huh? Get the right tool for the job now. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna come through over here. Oh, this baby, by the way, has 136,000 miles. You see what's goody? You see what's goody goody? Stick shift. Simple. This is how you open the hood. Right? Just pull it. Bah. Come down over here. Pull it like that. Now pull it back. Boom. Yep, it's official. Let me go the other way. For this thing don't come because it's old though, so I don't want it to come back to me and boom. But you see what's goody? You see what's goody? Let me give it to you. Pause. Battery, coolant reservoir, windshield fluid reservoir, oil cap, cabin filter, shots, fuse pots, intake, valve cover. This look like a, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 line engine, oil dipstick, the orange one right there, booster, brake fluid reservoir, steering reservoir. Pretty much. Well, the oil filter is right there. Right there. Hold up. Right there. That one. I think it's usually far. You get it from the bottom down. This thing has a compressor. AC compressor. Huh, fun. Thing. That's a thing right there. Pretty much. We're gonna go to the bottom. Ooh, we're gonna go to the bottom. Drain the oil. Before that, ah, smell that. See anything goody goody? See anything goody goody? Let's see how much air this thing takes. What? Oh, over here. Alright, okay, it says front 32, rear 33, 33, 36. I do that. 33 in the front, 36 in the back. Alright. You see the rims. This is the walking dinosaur right here. You see what's good? Caliper, the shock, spring differential axle. Oh, this side has a sensor, brake sensor. Okay, pretty much. All right, go down. There's a fuel filter, the tank, little tank, resonator. There's a resonator right there. Anyways, let's keep going. Ooh, some oil leaking from the training. Probably it's the seal. I want to say it's a seal. Ooh, that shock is bleeding. The strut. Bleeding. The driver's side caliper has a sensor. The passenger side caliper doesn't have a sensor. That's the oil filter right there. Oh. Steering column. Lower control arm. Look cheap as F. Braking pin. Link. It's a stabilizer bar link. Stabilizer bar. They look like these old cars used to have the Chevy has it too. Some spider web. Okay, oil drain plug. We're gonna drain the oil now. This is how you reach the oil filter, right there through here. All right. Engine mount. Right, let's look at this oil. 17. It's still 17 millimeter socket. Make this straight. Check. Yeah. Oops. Okay. Let's see what's really good. What you think about that? All right. Got the filter. We'll get to that in a minute. Let's put this plug back. A lot of people are gonna be like, "Yeah, you're using the same washer and this and that." It's up to you. You know, if it's not damaged, it's still Gucci. You know what I'm saying? That washer is still good, so we're goody goody. Oh, another thing. A lot of people gonna say, "Oh, he's using e-guns, electric guns." This one is not that crazy. This one doesn't even pass the 19 foot-pounds. Okay, this one's really good for valve covers, whatever. Okay, you tight it good enough. I'm telling you right now, this is the Milwaukee. Okay, the long neck pulse. No DD. Anyways. How we gonna get to that oil? That's a good question. Oil filter. You can do it through here. It's up to you, go. But I think I'm gonna use the clamps. This guy right here. Hopefully it does. Let's see. I want to poke the. Oh, that's hard. Pulsed. I'm gonna use the other type. I'll be watching this. Let me get this straight. don't want to get in my face either. There you go. It seems like it's working, but I poke it. I want to have to take the Ricky route from behind. Pulse. Alright. I told you I wasn't gonna take the Ricky route. So I'm gonna chill like that. But should do it. Gotta get that. There you go. Way better. I just don't trust my. Come on, let's get it. Give it to me. Give it to me, oil filter. No, Diddy. Take that. Take that. Jeez. Someone really put it really tight. Pause. Man, there's too many pause in this video. Not to make it like that, but there you go. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Just like I'm gonna have to take it out from here. Let me get this straight. I don't want to get my sleeve dirty here. I'm gonna go like this. Not like that, but I'm gonna reach. So I guess I'm gonna go this route. I didn't want to, but more choice. I was gonna say there's more coming now. Then I was gonna say pause, but it's too crazy. This car is too crazy. Too many pauses. There you go. I just don't want to take a shower. There you go. Boom. STP. Even the oil filter is old. Jeez. You know the deal. Wipe that oil filter surface. Goody. Put the new oil filter. Alright. That's the new oil filter. Pro Tune. Part number. You see it. Post to read. Now we have a few options. Pure later, weights frame, part numbers, post to read. Here it is. Now put some oil. Let me borrow that oil. Some oil there. Put it in there. Okay. Let me see what we're doing here. See that. Tiny bite. Alright, this baby's gonna take 4.5 5W30. Put the funnel there, you know. Like any other car, alright? Just because it's old doesn't make it special. It's special in some ways, but still though. 4.5 quarts. 4.5 quarts. 4.5 quarts. All right. I gotta say it 3 times because people in the comments are like, yo, how many quarts? Come on, man. I'll put this back in here. All right. That's pretty much it with this baby. This is how you check the oil life. You're gonna run the car now for a minute so the oil go through the filter. Then shut it down. Pull this. It's supposed to be right here. So like I was saying, once you pour the oil, start the car, let it run for a minute. Pull out the dipstick. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Pour the new oil. Put the oil cap back. Start the car, let it run for a minute. The oil is gonna go through the filter. Shut it down. Pull out the dipstick. Wipe it. Dip it again. Pause. Pull it out, and that's how you have a reading of the oil level. Pretty much. All right? And that's it with this baby. This baby's gonna need some coolant. It's supposed to be here. It's very low. All right, so that's what I'm gonna do. All right, nothing. You see it? Better, right? Pretty much. That's better. All right, that should be it with this baby. That was it. I guess you just gotta push it. Not against just. Good. Another thing with this engine, the problem is that it's tilt to one side, right? This part is high. This part's high. This one is low, right? And you will get like a oil leak through here. You get an oil leak here. It goes all the way down. See that leak? Over here too. So I will say it has problems with the cover gasket. Okay, we're gonna do that for show. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna leave it right here. I hope you like the video. Hope you enjoy. Anything you want to say, put in the comment box. By the way, right next to the comment box, there's a heart that says super tense. Click on it. It's gonna ask you for the tip. Do you think? I would appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. You know, it's me, it's Stu Kaboom. Catch me in the next one. Audi. Come on, problems.